Hi everyone. In this section, we're going to be covering the accounting area of the newly released Partnerlink. The accounting area is only available to customer administrative users. On the left-hand side, where you have your day-to-day tools, you'll notice an accounting area, and then below that you'll see customer invoice and account status. Let's start with customer invoice. On the customer invoice page, you still have options to search by customer ID, PO number, order number, and now invoice. These column titles that you see highlighted in gold or on the ET2 side of the Partnerlink highlighted in red is an indication that you can sort that column. So we can sort by invoice date, customer location, invoice number, or PO number. The columns that you have here are customer invoice, customer ID, customer location or delivery location, the invoice number, order number, PO number, the terms for the invoice, and the invoice status, whether the invoice is paid or unpaid, the balance due, and the PDF icon that you see here is an opportunity for you to view an additional copy of this invoice. To view the invoice details, you can click on the invoice number in the invoice number column. On the invoice details page, you can still view the invoice number, customer PO number, order number, the delivery status, delivery location, city and state, the carrier, the tracking number, and the shipment date. Down below, it'll display the items on that invoice. So here we have the line number, item number, description, the remaining open quantity, the shipped quantity, unit price, and extended total. If you take your mouse over the item number, you'll notice that we added in that Zoomify tool so you can get a close-up look of what that item looks like. If you need to view product specification details, you can click on the image or the item number below, and that'll take you to the front side of the website where you can view product specification information. Down below the items that were invoiced, you can view any sales totals, sales tax, freight amounts, and any other charges. You also have additional opportunities to view or print a copy of the invoice or packing slip. Let's go back to the customer invoice page so I can show you a few more tools before we move on to account status. You can also click on the order number or the customer PO number to go back to the complete order and to view the status of any other items on that order. We've also added in an awesome tool for you to be able to make a payment online. So the select invoice column that you see here, this allows you to select the invoices that you would like to pay. Once you have, you can scroll up to the top and click on the Payment Here button. The first part of the payment page will explain the information that we need in order to process the payment and where to find that information. Down below, you'll have the form to fill in. And what's awesome is this amount field that you see right here. What this did is this summed up the total of the invoices that we selected on the previous page and gave us a grand total here. Now you can still override this amount. So let's say if I needed to do a $10 deduction for an RGA, I can go ahead and override this amount and change it to 202.19. And then just add in a little note for the accounting department that you're deducting $10 for RGA 123456. Click the Send button, and the payment will be automatically sent to our accounting department to apply to your account. All right, let's check out account status. The account status page will show you current 1 to 30, 30 to 60, 60 to 90, and over 90 days due. Here we have the total amount due and the total amount past due. Down below, you have transaction dates and due dates for the invoices, the customer PO number, the total amount due, any amount applied, and the remaining balance due. The PDF icon that you see here is an additional opportunity to view a copy of that invoice. The Select Invoice column is the same that we've seen on the Customer Invoice page, where we can select one or multiple invoices. Click on the Payment Here button to make a payment. All right, so that's it for the accounting area. Thank you for joining us.